To work the coffee machine, there's an on switch on the left-hand side at the bottom. What will come up is this sign, ready for use. Don't take any notice of the decalcify. Just check that there's water in the water tank and beans in the bean receptacle. If you need to refill that, there are beans above. Most people like a flat white, and you place your cup underneath. For a flat white, press the middle twice. You can use the steamer while the coffee's thawing. Turn this around to the bottom. That will heat up and steam. And place into the milk jug. I just hold it to the very edge and as close to the top of the milk as you can, and then it comes out very silky and creamy rather than full of bubbles. When you think happy with that, turn the water off. Your coffee will have finished, and just top up with the milk. There's some chocolate in the cupboard above if you'd like that, and there's your flat white.